Hi and welcome. This is a short video just to show you how the W-KING D320 and the MIFA Wildrod speakers sound. Just to give you an example, I'm going to use this microphone and I'm going to be placing it in front of each just to show you which one is playing. There will be some volume differences because this speaker is louder than this one, at least at the beginning. I'm not going to be playing very loud, so yeah, just to give you an idea of how they sound. So let's start with the W-KING D320. Okay, I had to increase the volume on this one because it was way lower than this. So it is like a volume difference, but I'm pretty sure if you turn them both all the way up, they're pretty much the same. So I'm going to change the song. Okay, and let's try the MIFA Wildrod. I have to increase the volume a bit again. Okay, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and you could, create yourself an idea of how they do sound. In my opinion, I can't say one sounds better than the other, but all I could say from what I could hear earlier is that this one has more highs, and that is normal because he has two tweeters. This one has good highs as well, but not as high as this one. And also in terms of the bass, this one has a bit more bass than this one, but that's again normal because I think the speaker on this one, it's a bit larger than this one. This speaker could, I think it's more similar to the one you find in JBL Charge 5, and this one is like a the JBL Flip 6. And yeah, but please do let me know in the comments which one you think sounds better and which one you prefer. And yeah, do give us a like and subscribe if you like the video. There will be more videos coming up, more speaker comparison. Unfortunately, I don't have like a really nice song to play because obviously of the, it's not free music, so we just have to stay with these songs for now. But thank you for watching, guys.